Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari, where we keep you updated with latest happening around the education world. Today's video is going to be very important for all the students of class 10th and 12th going to appear for board exam, because today I will be sharing 10 proven tips that toppers use to score full marks in their exam. In order to score well in your board exam, it's essential not only know the correct answer but also present them in an organized and effective manner. A well structured and neatly written answer can make a huge difference in how your response is evaluated. By following a few smart strategies, you can ensure that your response are clear, concise, and well organized. Now let us see those tips. First one, use of additional 15 minutes judiciously. CBSE provided students with an additional 15 minutes in board examination. This additional time is provided for students to read question properly before they start writing their answer. Student can draft a plan in their mind and how they will solve the paper correctly without getting panicked. So a student must utilize this 15 minutes very carefully to make a strategy for writing the exam smoothly and correctly. Second, set the priority. List out the question in which you are more confident. There is no need to write answer in same order as in the question paper. Firstly, write those answers which you know correctly. This will help you gain confidence and will also help you spare enough time to think about the answer to other questions which are a bit blurry in your mind. Third, write a brief to the point answer. Read the question carefully and understand the sense of the question. Try to limit your answer to the required of the question and avoid writing huge paragraph describing unuseful information. Keep your answer justified. For example, if you are asked the question, define the soil erosion, then you are asked to write definition of soil erosion, not its causes or effect, which most of the students write to make their answer lengthier. Actually, it's a myth among most of the students that longer the answer, the more they will score. But it's not, as the examiner only look for valid explanation but not the stories. Fourth tip, choose the question wisely. Usually some question in paper are provided with internal choice. The student have to select any one of those choice. When it comes to you to choose the question you want to attempt, give a careful reading to each question at least twice and then create a mental picture of what you have to write in each case. This way, you will be able to evaluate your knowledge about the particular question and help you clear away any doubt. Fifth, attempt all the question. We all know there is no negative marking for wrong answer in board exam. So don't be afraid to answer the question about which you are confused, as you have nothing to lose. Read the question carefully, reread the question, try to understand the genre of question and what it demands. If you know the answer, then write it. If you don't, then use your brain and make a smart guess. Examiners are always looking for technical term or appropriate keyword where they may give you marks. Sixth, don't decorate your answer sheet. It's well observed many students that they have a habit of attempting their question paper in a colorful manner by using blue, green and black color pointer or marker for heading and underlining each one of them. Doing this decorative work is nowhere going to gain you any extra mark, but will definitely take away precious time that you could have used in thinking and writing the answer to question that you left for the end. Use only two pens, a blue pen for writing the text and a black for heading. While drawing diagram, you must always use a pencil. It would keep your answer sheet simple and would also give you time to write more. 7. Space out each word properly. Make sure your words are properly spaced out. Don't squeeze in 10 words in the same line. Examiner will find it difficult to read such overlapped words. This may cause a fall in your grade. Your paper should look neat and clean. Try to write answers in point. Avoid bunching all sentences together. Leave at least 2 lines before and after each question. Doing this will also help you later when you feel you want to add something to your answer. This will prevent you from making your answer script messy. 8. Use diagram and example. Support your answer with diagram, chart, or real life example. Visual representation can help simplify complex concepts and demonstrate your understanding of the subject. For instance, in a subject like mathematics or science, drawing a well-labeled diagram can earn you extra marks. In other subject, example from history, literature, or daily life can provide a clarity and make your answer more relatable. Tip 9. Manage time wisely. Time management is a key to ensuring that you can attempt all questions in the exam. Allocate a fixed amount of time to each question based on its marks and complexity. Don't spend too much time on one question even if you are confident about it. If you find a question difficult, move on to next one and return to it later if you have time. This approach helps in completing the exam within the given time frame and ensure that you don't leave any question unanswered. And lastly, check your answer sheet. After you have completed the paper, don't forget to check your answer sheet, and that even twice at least. Check what you have written. Many times while telling the answer, we come across silly mistake that would have been left unaltered if we had not checked. Check if you haven't skipped any question. Also, make sure that you have written your roll number neatly and properly before handing over the answer sheet to examiner. Now let us take a glance at important tip. Use word according to marks allotted to a particular question. Do not just write to increase the length of your answers. Instead, compose your answer by infusing the right keyword. Try to use concise word to increase the quality of your answer. Do not use short form of word like do not for do not, cannot, can't for cannot, won't for would not, etc. Use common and simple word to explain your answer. Do not decorate your answer. Just write in a way that is easily readable. Space out each word properly. Avoid cutting and overwriting. Use diagram in your answer to make them more attractive and meaningful. So these were top 10 tips to write high scoring answer in your board exam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more amazing study tips. See you in next video and best of luck for your exam.